are the flowers we got from Namari. Yes, these are all from their garden lang. This cute orange flower, this gumamela, this cutie, I don't understand but it's cute, but this one too, and this, and then one rose for me, and sampagita. So yeah, all from their garden. This now we have flowers. So here's the finished setup. These are the poster paints and the flowers. And we just covered this because it was pangit yesterday. So there's the view. Kids will see their later. And the restaurant is there. Well, yeah. Wow, there's a lot. Choose the flower you like. There's wow. Come, where's Lily? Wow. Yeah. Check her out. Okay. Oh, Malia, it's too. Okay. Okay, you have yours here. Then, wow, okay. Then, yes. Okay, so we're successfully done with the first artwork, and this is her artwork. It's so beautiful. She's only 1 year and 8 months, but she really done a good job. Look at that. So beautiful. I want to take a picture of it. Nice. Okay, and the next class is fully booked, so I'm really excited about it. What's your name? Bibea. Color. And you can show it to your parang ko. How old here? What color is that? Cosmo. Let's hold it there. Here, here, here. Orange. Wow. Oh yeah, give it to her. Wow. Look. To clean the brushes that we use. So join me as I clean the brushes. Okay. Wala lang, samahan nyo lang ako. Wala ka naman ako lang. Kasama ko kayong nag-set up. Kasama ko kayong nangyayari yung habang kong going. Tapos ako lang mag-wash. Mag-wash tayo together. It's very kids friendly and washable siya. So no worries at all. Hindi siya mag-stay. Look what my student did sa brush. It's really nice to see different creativity of kids sa mga ganitong programs, and it's really important as well. I could say that it's very important kasi you will really see how focused they are when they do stuff, but also you can see how short their attention span is. Makikita niyo talaga. Sige na, ganyan naman kayo. Iwan nyo na ako. Wait, I will turn you off.
You can service charge.
Happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, so we learned na dapat pala pag nag-vlog ka, walang background music. Okay, so I'm done doing gua sha on my face and my tummy. I used two of this gua sha for my face and I really like it. Grabe, and it's so matibay. Ilang beses na yung bumagsak, hindi siya nasisira. And I only use this jojoba oil, natural jojoba oil for my face because I'm oily. So now let's do my breakfast. I will show you how I do my breakfast. Okay, let's go. So, pumitas lang ako ng malunggay sa kapitbahay. Because I wanna do like a tuna mayo with malunggay spread. Mayonnaise. And put mayonnaise. The malunggay.
Morning. Ano na kayo?
Just a little bit of salt. Let's put. It's a very healthy breakfast, I'm telling you. I. Gotcha. Bon appetit! Cheers! So, it's working time. Working time na tayo ngayon. Ano daw? Yeah, welcome to my life. Yeah, work tayo for a bit. I just opened my laptop and ting, 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 ting. Yes, that's my life. And we're not complaining. Because again, I'm working for an NGO here in Siargao. And I don't know, I just like it. Kasi parang it's nice to work for the community, for the local community, and not just make anyone rich. I don't know. Okay, that's bad. But yeah, it's really nice to wake up every day and work and get tired. Name it. Basta ang makikinabang is the local community, you know? It makes a lot of sense and I really manifested this. I prayed for this. I want a more purposeful and meaningful life. And so, I'm happy. So, work na tayo. We will have a meeting in few seconds. I'm not sure if nakalimutan ng ka-meeting ko na may meeting kami, but I have a meeting. Yeah. It's like weekly catch-ups or work. Yes.
Our hosts.
They do read, so it's okay. Quick change outfit. Because we're going to the shoot now. Oh. So yeah. Ang sakit ng tuhod ko. Sayaw pa ng sayaw. So yeah, join me. Let's go to Manu. So this is how I look like. Laundry bag, my bag, and me. Let's go. Okay, game?
Yeah.
Wait lang. Wow, ganda. Rolling. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, so hi everyone, my name is Donald Salgado.
My flight tomorrow is full. My flight tomorrow is 4 p.m. I believe me. Tuna steak, kebab, rice. Thank you. Come on, tuna steak. Yay, I'm so hungry. Because if I swim now, I will not swim later.
Ready?
Thank you,
Oh,
Lord.
ganarn. Nice. Roti.
Oh, what's about roti?
Oh, it was really good.
Yeah. Yay. Wow. Wonder what that is.
It's very spicy.
Mmm. Ooh.
Salamat.
Roti. Complete yung order pa.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Mm. Absolutely. Anong sunahon siya?
Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so just doing some skincare before the flight. Yes, para fresh tayo. Kasi mahaba-haba na namang biyahe ito. As always. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Mahaba-haba na namang biyahe. So, skincare muna tayo. Yes. So, and we'll be resting for a while and maybe edit vlog and work while all of this are happening. So,
Mga barato lagi pasayan no. Sige sige, lutuon lang.